All right, so check it out. We're back to our masterpiece. We're going to go ahead and fill this up the rest of the way. I was hoping this guy was going to be tacky. Okay, it's been 48 hours. So if I lived here, I would have known the point of cruciality. No big deal. If that happens to you and you go to knock on it and it's hard already, no big deal. Take you a 320 grit piece of sandpaper, and all you want to do is just scuff this guy up. We're going to get him to adhere to this next level of pouring. So look, just like this. We're going to make this look ugly for a second, if you will. Fold it over, getting them corners real good. Just drag them out. As long as you see that scuff all over the place, you're good. And we are going to have to take a shot vac and get this out. But this is all you want to do. You just want to scuff this guy up all the way through. And then we're going to be ready once we shot vac it out for our next pour. So we will bring you right back up to speed when we get this filled up. All right, so here we go. It's all mixed up. We're ready. Good. Look at that. Got it all over me already. Looks like a little powder puff. There we go. So we're back to this again. Remember on the big guy, we did 6. Think. Close enough. And here we are. Gotta love it, Maui. Uno. Dos. 3 of them. All right, Chief, you wouldn't mind share the glitter with me. Get it all over yourself. There you go. All right, here we go. Let's make some magic.
Oh, set the timer.
You don't need a timer.
No.
Oh, okay.
No timer needed. Check this out. Boy, that sucker just hits, don't it?
Yes, it does.
You want a bowling ball too? Spit you one of those out.
No, you got these jumping in there.
Yeah. So keep in mind, I can't reiterate this enough. At this phase, you're only mixing this until all the pigment is gone, which it's pretty much gone. Keep in mind, when you go to pour this out, we've got a couple of more to do. This is not going to quite do it, but again, the reason we were so shallow with all this, we did not rush this and try to pour this whole thing in one big shot. We were not here. This is at their residence. We did not want to take a chance on this overheating. So it was much simpler to pour this in here 2 different times and let it roll. So Miss Heidi, if you want to follow us new pour all the way down, we're going to hook her up. Here we go, coming at you.
It's breathtaking.
Look at that. Boom, you all. We are getting closer and closer. Closer and closer. So, that hooked us up. Check out our line. Now, it's still feeding everywhere. It's still got to run down, still got to lever itself out. So, we're about halfway there. We're about halfway to where we started. So, we're going to go ahead and pour and come on up to that mark so we can get this sucker done. All right, so here we are. We are back putting our pigment in this next batch here. Boy, this sucker's popping, you all. I mean popping. Oh, getting a little greedy here, Henry. Putting a little too much in there, brother. Oh, yeah. This was just a great choice in mix and color and all that jazz. And this don't ever get old, brother, right here. This is my favorite part. Favorite part. I guess it's everybody's favorite part. So there's really no time limit exactly to the pigment part once you put it in. All right, our resin gets mixed up for 5 minutes. You just want to make sure everything is just blended beautifully. All the pigment is gone. There's no chunks left that you see floating around. And as it's swirling and twirling, regardless of how you shift this drill, you want to kind of keep that motion going. Don't do a lot of reversing that. You know what I'm saying? So if you're over here, jump over here and keep that pull turning in the same direction. That's it. Once you feel like it's all mixed up real good, we're ready to pour it out. And then remember, try to ease off that trigger. Don't just dead stop it. It'll jolt. It'll cause a big pocket, and a bunch of air bubbles will try to come in there on you. It's just less we got to deal with. All right, Heidi, here we go. Fill her up some more. Oh, yeah. Check it, you guys. I'll fill up this little channel here. Yeah, we're going to keep that one, just so you know. We're going to see if we can take this drum sander and not get rid of that. That's going to be super cool when that hits right in that top. Man, you just got to play with it. Just got to play with it. We're going to get all these slits to cover right now, though. We'll dump the rest of this down in here. Bing. Just like that. If you get it up on tables, no big deal. We're going to plane through that. Look at that. That goodness right there, you all.
That's cool.
Boom. So, as you can see, check this out. We already knew it. We are a smidge short of our mark. No big deal. So, we're going to do this one more time. We are actually out of resin. We tried to nail this right on the money. So, no problem. We've already got more resin coming. This is just going to reverse itself really now. We are exactly where we were 2 days ago when we filled up half of it to let it do its cooling process. So now we're back on board right there. We're still a little short. We got one more kit on the way, and we're going to get all this to get up here where we need it so we can totally be done with this top and get this guy to the planer, man. It's killing me over here, you know? I want this video as bad as y'all want this table. Jeez. All right, so now we're going to go to the cool part. We're going to make this guy come alive with what we got so we can see it all at the end whenever we plane down, wherever. So we want all this pretty stuff to come to life. Now, I don't know about you all. I'm going to make this quick. I'm not going to put on a mask. I'm going to cover myself with my shirt. So if y'all want to do the same, it's a quick process. We can get out here and take a little breather. You ready?
Yep.
So what I want to do, I'm going to put this in here, and I want you to get real close with that camera. Last time we didn't get close enough so they could really see. Here we go. Watch this stuff come to life. All them bubbles are going to go away. And right to life it's going to come. 3D effects. Just like that. You really can't do too much of it. Look at all those explosions, how that's going to hit. So it's really going to start forming, doing its own thing, just like last time. Really cool stuff. Probably won't even need to torch this. Look how that guy's going to turn out when we plane him flat. So we've only got a little bit here to go on the tail whip part, or the stream, if you will. This guy's going to be really cool. When we get done filling him in, he's actually, once we cut all this at the end, that river's going to run right over along with this guy and be part of the wood. It's going to be super sick. You all stay tuned. We'll bring you back when we're ready for the next part. Sorry, I know we got the shirts up and everything. Super cool. Can't wait for this sucker to come out. We'll see you back on the next one. Check that out, you all. Look at that. See how this slit's really going to come to life? Filled up. Boy, it looks like you could jump right in this thing, go swimming, don't it?
Yes, it does.
Look at that. So that almost looks like a split stream. It just breaks right here and it's feeding this big monster river. And then we got this tail whip cut right over here that's going to go really cool. But I just wanted you all to really see what's going on in this big guy. This sucker's booming. You know, we have a lot of fun doing this stuff everywhere we go. We love people. We love paying it forward. We do it as much as humanly possible every chance we get, whether something's in it for us or not. But I'm going to be blatantly honest with you all. We've had a blast with Miss Hyder and her husband. This was definitely for the best pizza and the best Mountain Dew that we've ever had. So filled us up, did something cool for really somebody else, totally free. They bought everything we needed and we sit here and drop this in right for them. It don't get no better than that. All right, so check it out. Right before we go, I wanted to bring Heidi and Henry in here just to tell them, or is it hubby?
It's hubby.
It's hubby. It is hubby. So I just wanted to, get their picture out here, man. They are super proud. Look at that. Oh my God. That is so drop dead gorgeous, y'all. So they're super excited. They are just can't wait. They've worked so hard on this bar. So really great people, really awesome. We were able to do this. They were game, we were game, so it worked out. So you all see them out and about. Be sure and tell them hello because you'll know it's them. They're gonna have smile ear to ear.
Yes.
So as usual, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back to get this guy finished out so you can see the finish. We're super excited. Can't wait. See you next time.